Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Nissan Rogue and I will show you which fuses to check in case your Nissan is equipped with heated seats and they are not working. This video will apply to Nissan Rogues made from 2007 all the way up to 2013. Now both of the fuses you want to check will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger's cabin just under the steering wheel right here. So to access the fuse box you want to remove this cover by pulling it towards yourself. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram, and here you have the access to the fuses. Okay, so you will be checking two fuses. First one is fuse number F1, which is a 10 amperade fuse located right here in the bottom right corner, and you will also be checking the 10 amperade fuse just above it. So these two fuses. Now if both of these fuses are good, then you will have to dig a bit deeper and look towards the heated seats switch or a possible wiring issue. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.